In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your language here in the Division Resurgence. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is hit the little icon up in the top right corner. It's going to pull up a little menu that looks something like this. And then you need to hit the settings gear down in the bottom left corner of that menu. It's going to redirect you into your settings, which will look something like this. And essentially what you need to do is find your language settings on here. So just scroll down a little bit on this right hand sidebar until you see the little world icon. This is where you change your language, and you have a few different settings that you could change it to: English, French, Italian, Spanish, stuff like that is all options, but go ahead and change it to whatever you want. And then after you do it, it's going to update in game and you'll be good to go. You could just close out of your settings and boom, your language has now been updated here in the Division Resurgence. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.